Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Cyber Power UPS BU600E. I have purchased it from the local market. The MRP of the UPS is rupees 2612 INR. It is packed in a hard cardboard casing and there are other details about the product. It provides a runtime up to 30 minutes. You can see the bar code. It has a 2-year warranty and there are other details. It gives you automatic voltage regulation. It is compatible with generator. It has a fire resistant capability and 2-year warranty, and it provides a runtime up to 30 minutes. And here there are technical specifications about the product. The model number is BU600E. Capacity is 630 by 360. Its input voltage is 230 VAC. Normal frequency range is 50 Hz. Output waveform is simulated sine wave, and there are other details. It gives you uninterruptible power supply here, and there are other details about the product. And now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my knife and now I am cutting it through, and here I have cut it out. It has got a 3-pin plug-in. The output voltage is 230 VAC. It has a capacity of 600 VA and 360 watt. For 21-inch iMac computer, the UPS will provide a runtime of 30 minutes. For desktop computer with 18-inch LED screen, it provides a runtime of 18 minutes. And here I have opened it, and it is packed in thermocol casing so that any damage to the device may not occur during seepage. And here I have opened it. It is packed in thermocol, and here this is the warranty card provided along with the product. And here there are technical specifications about the product, how to use it, and there are other details about the product. I have kept both of them aside, and now I am opening the box. This is the Cyber Power UPS. It is black in color. Here I have kept aside the thermocol, and the UPS is packed in polythene. And now I am going to take it out, and here I have took it out, and here it is almost done. It has a physical dimension of 158 into 91.5 into 240 millimeter and weighs about 3.8 kg. It comes with a 2-year warranty and for the main device and 1 year for internal battery from the date of registration. This is the power button, and I am pressing the power button, and here this is the back side, and here you can see the barcode. It has a brick design with mounting slots which allows users to place it easily on the walls and other tight places. And this is the power cord with the 3-pin plug-in, and this is a 3-pin plug-in, and the cord is long and is black in color. And here I am putting it in the electric board, and here I put it in the electric board and switched on, and here I have pressed the power switch, and this is the Cyber Power UPS. In the normal case, it does not give an alarm. In case of utility failure, the alarm beeps twice. In case of rapid beeping, it indicates that the battery will run out of power shortly. When there is a constant beeping tone, it means that there is an overload, and when connected to the equipment exceeds the rating of the unit, and in that case we have to remove 1 or 2 pieces of equipment from the UPS support. In case of any problem, you can visit www.cyberpower.com, and it is a very nice product. It has a automatic voltage regulation and it is compatible with generator. It also has got fire resistant capability and battery management technology with flexible installation. This UPS adopts the best class fireproof plastics in the industry. The outstanding fire resistant capability minimizes the possible damage of your valuable assets in case of any fire or accident. Featuring the best in class fireproof plastic housing, the BU series UPS provides an outstanding fire resistance capability to minimize the possible damage of valuable assets in case of any fire accident. With Cyber Power innovative battery management technology, it significantly increases the battery efficiency, therefore a longer battery life. The configurable alarm allows the users to switch on or off the audible alarm when the UPS is on the battery mode to avoid any disturbance. Its generator compatibility provides an extensive application scenario during power shortage. With the built-in automatic voltage regulation or AVR stabilizes the AC signal and maintains safe voltage. It allows the UPS to maintain in safe power levels through the double boost and single buck function for the connected equipment without restoring to battery power. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.